semi is here. You really picked the right time to do that.
Oh, Jesus.
Welcome to today's video. We are doing some cool stuff again today. We're just hanging out. I have a couple locations where we're at, and you kind of see it right behind me now. It is a pretty sweet bridge. It's raining a little bit, so sorry it's kind of windy and all that fun stuff. But anyway, we're gonna be shooting here. We've got a couple shoot locations that we're doing today, so just join us along for some really fun photography things today. And that's really about that. So I found this place actually a while ago. I took a picture with my motorcycle, which I'll put right here. And it's a beautiful spot that I'm gonna gatekeep, so sorry. A semi is here. Sorry. My dog. You really picked the right time to do that.
Oh, Jesus.
So this is kind of my fault because I said that no one's here on the weekends.
Oh, Jesus.
But when I was here the last Saturday, it was empty.
What's your insurance paying out?
You should get a Nissan Stagea. Did you know? Yeah, think about it. RB26 is in there.
You know what I would tell them? They hit my car, like, we'll replace it. Say, there's a dealership on Ogden. They have an NSX. It's like
they've got it all.
The NSX and this, they're literally the same car.
It was raining, like I said, and it's only been like, I don't know, it's probably been more than that, 20 minutes, and now the sun is very, very bright outside. This is kind of a dangerous spot. As you can see, there's semi-trucks kind of entering and exiting this blind corner that we're at. We're kind of trying to be in and out pretty quick, relatively, so I'm glad to be shooting. This is the first time I'm shooting, I think, in over a month. It's been 4 weeks since I uploaded the RWB video. I still have a couple of things to upload still, but it's just been really busy in terms of keeping a lot of work-life balance has been a little tough, but that's why I want to be able to eventually make YouTube full-time so I can keep putting out cool stuff for you guys. The blog doesn't know, but Juan has an A7iii now.
Oh. Oh. Uh-oh.
Juan's entered the realm of photography. It was a matter of time.
Look what you did.
My best niche might just be like automotive photography or videography, kind of both. We'll see. Maybe that's what I want to end up doing for real. Oh yeah, Bryant got a hardtop. His Instagram does usually say forever in search of a hardtop, and I don't think he can say that anymore. Yeah, Bryant's Instagram says forever in search of a hardtop, and it's kind of funny because so we found one finally. So this is actually the first time anyone, including myself, is seeing it, because he quite literally just got it and then came here. So these are the first pictures that he has with the hardtop on, and we're just shooting content for today because we haven't had anything lately. But we recently just put out a roller, which I'll put right here, of Brian's car. That was from a shoot that we did a little while ago that hopefully that video came out already. If it did, I'll link it here. If not, look for it. It'll come, I'm sure. It'll just be titled like Miata Rollers or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, we relocated. Actually, security came up to talk to us. This would actually be a really good location for us to do like a staggered 4 shot.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see the frame. It's like that. Nice. I wasn't sure what you were lining up with at first. I was like, wait a minute. You gotta stay committed to the shot. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that commitment.
I was trying to hold it. I was like doing like a crunch over here. But
Oh,
yeah, I tried to get the lens flare in there.
yeah. Dude, let's go. I was able to get some cool shots with the train, but I'll put those up here. But I had to do it really fast because the train literally was just coming. But we're scouting locations to try to see if there's anything cool over here. You know, the look is kind of cool though.
I was gonna say, I like all the...
It looks like there's like stalactites up there. You know what I mean?
Is that asbestos?
You know, we're breathing it in, so...
Too late.
Too late. Oh, right there. If we parked like right by the Subi, right here, but facing down, straight down the pillars. The train has appeared again, so we're gonna try to get the shot. I told Juan to like quickly move up. So, BRB. See if I can pass you here. And then you guys could actually get into my lane because it merges. Woo! Little tunnel there. We have finished shooting there at that really cool pillar spot. It's just a really pretty drive. I think this is just what it's all about. Yeah, that is such a view. We are at Andy's, good old classic. It's just good, you know. So we'll get some stuff. Food coma, all of us are just wiped out from the day, so we decided to call it a day. If you guys make it this far, please leave a comment down below that you made it down to the end. I appreciate you guys watching for the whole time. That watch time to me is huge. And just remember to check down there, see if you're subscribed. If you're not, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, like the video if you did enjoy it. If you are in the area, in the Chicagoland area, and you're looking for rollers, please DM me on Instagram. If you hit me up there, we can talk about rollers and get you something set up. You would meet all of us and hang out, so just let me know. That is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up down below. I will see you in the next video. See you on the other side. Oh, I have a smudge on my lens. Sorry about that. Huh.
Yeah, I want to drive up there, but I already knocked out my, I was backing in and I took out my mud flap.
Really?
Yeah, so he's down to mud flat.
I'm down to mud flap.
Oh, you are?
Oh no.
Well, I saw that.
So if I twist an ankle, you got to carry me.